When you're printing in Lava, by default, it's going to try to put everything on one page. But you can come into the building layout and you can make some adjustments. So you could come in and change the way it's printed. So right now it's 1 on 1. You can change this to multiple pages. We could say print 4 pages. So we can make the whole thing fit on 4 pages, and we can specify, make it pretty tight if we need to. So I can draw this little specify. So it just, this box right here is the outer extent of the print area. If I say OK, we can give that a shot, go back to the report, regenerate the report, and we'll see here that it's going to build those pages. So we'll go over to the building view here and see this breaks it up. That's the top level, but let's go into the bottom level and you'll see it kind of breaks it into pieces. So this is now showing row 1, column 1. We can go into row 1, column 2. It's going to break it row 1, column 3, and then column 4. So there's ways to do it like that. If it's a more long building, you can change that ratio something different, like to 2 pages, and then draw that extent. You can use the layout range, but that also, or the elements, that might go a little larger. If you can get tighter, it's a little bit easier as well to specify it this way. You can also zoom in to a certain section by clicking on the print button, and you can use the specify here. So if you just click on the specify region, you just go back to, maybe you just want one section. It's really important to zoom in on that. You can just, with that specify, go and box this area, and you'll see that purple box changes and it's just going to be in that area. So we're now just in that one section. So if I go back to the report, I will be seeing that get a zoom in on that section. So let's go over here and we'll go one a little bit larger here. So I am just seeing this one section in here. So it depends on what is important to you, but you can build out specific areas of your model based on that print option. Thanks for watching the video, and check out more on lavabuild.com.